What's going on, everyone? It's your boy Young Zuki here, and I'm back with another video. And in this video I'm going to be teaching you guys how to average anywhere between 5 to 10 to 20 to 50,000 views on most of your videos. If you do this strategy daily, all you got to do is post one video a day and you can get there just like me. So first step, you're going to want to have a video already edited. I'm not going to be covering that, like the editing, in this video. I might make another video showing you guys how to make anime edits, but for this one I'm just showing you the settings that I use. So first thing you're going to want to do is find this guy right here. It should be one of the most popular shorts, or you can even use any of these other ones, but I personally use this one because it gets me a lot of views. So shout out to him for that sound. You're just gonna want to turn that volume down. I usually just put it to 1%. You can put it to 0 though, it'll still show. I just usually put that sound to 1% and have my own audio. Try and make sure it's not copyrighted, unless you don't mind. You're just going to want to click next. Just processing. And then now you're going to want to, first step, click that pencil over there and choose like the best moment in the video. I think that looks the best. I might get people to want to click the video. And then you're going to just want to use whatever hashtag's popular at the moment. So if you subscribe to my channel, you can come back, check what's the most popular hashtag at the moment. These hashtags are the key to getting heaps of views, and yeah, pretty much it works for me. It can work for anyone. So I usually change all my titles in bulk on my PC. Anyone can do it to the latest hashtag, because some of the hashtags die out and then you lose viewers, and then you change all your videos to the new hashtag and it should start skyrocketing again back up, especially if you upload a new video. But yeah, so what we're going to want to do is just put that on unlisted for now. Select the audience, make sure you select no. If you select yes, you will get no views. Select your related video. I've already uploaded this video, I'm just doing this as a demonstration. And paid promotion, if you have this, this recently came up for me. I just always press no, of course. And altered content, make sure you select no. If you select yes, you won't get any views because they'll say it's AI and you will not get a single viewer. Okay. If you do have collaborators, you can invite them for, I think that you get the extra views and like it brings more traffic, but I'm not too sure. I've never used it. Yeah, and you just want to upload the short on unlisted for now. See, as you can see before we continue, these are all the views I usually get from using the hashtags, in the tens of thousands. Some of them don't do well, some of them do well, it just depends. Now you want to head to ChatGPT and you're just going to want to type exactly something like this. Write me a 590 word SEO description for my Dragon Ball superhero edit of Goku vs Vegeta. Goku Vegeta sparring, and Vegeta finally wins against Goku. And I just usually write funk edit because I don't know which one's which. Some people call it funk, some people say funk. I don't know. So yeah, and then this is what we'll do, and then it'll just give you a whole long description. And then pretty much you're going to want to copy and paste all of that like so. You can even ask it for keywords. Mine automatically gives me the keywords just to chuck in the description. And then you can also ask, give me 10 hashtags. Literally, you can copy and paste them in the description too. So you just want to edit that again. You can add it to a playlist if you want. I usually add mine to a playlist. You just copy and paste that, and then you can do the hashtags as well. Copy and paste that from ChatGPT. And now your next step, you're going to want tags, okay? So what I usually write to ChatGPT, give me 490 SEO tags. Yeah, that's about it. And then you can just copy and paste this like so. And then you go back, copy, and then paste. It should all be there. And then make sure you save it first and go back, because sometimes ChatGPT can give you over 500 characters and it won't work. It'll just be blank. There'll be no. So make sure you click save and then check it again. See, the tags aren't there. You know what I mean? They're gone. So make sure you remove a few if that happens, because they're under 490 characters. So just delete like some of them. It's too long. So there you go. Save that, and it should be. There you go. Now it's there, and then you can publish your video. And there we go. So that's pretty much what you're gonna do, and you're gonna see big numbers if you do this daily, especially. And yeah, thank you guys so much for watching the video. Like and subscribe for more. That's Young Zuki out.